this is the throne for camera, but now it not work. Yes, then I try to check. This is the battery. Yes, this when we press this, not work. And if we press this also and press this, it will work. Yes, you see the light. Yes, the problem from this connector, so we need to fix some problem. Yes, this is the battery connector. Yeah, now we try to solder the battery connector to down maybe 1 millimeter. Yes. Yeah, now I put some pass. I put some pass. Increase my solder iron. Maybe 500 degrees Celsius. Oh, yes. Down the sheet. Wow, watch. Okay. Chồng, chèn ấy mà bắt đấy. Rồi check trên so chân vào ô tô này. But yes, it ready. I hope it working well. waiting for cool down. Yes. Okay, very good. You see, this is the light indicate it show about the operation. Yes. Working very well. ជើងថ្មរាក់ពេកជើងផ្សារតម្លាក់ជើងថ្មទៅក្រោមទៅ